Conceptual Maths, Grade 4. Today we will learn simplification. We will study the Bodmer's rule today. The most important operations in maths are divisions, multiplications, additions, and subtractions. Bodmer's rule states the order of operations if there are more than one operations in a single problem. According to Bodmer's rule, division should be done first, followed by multiplication, followed by addition, followed by subtraction. Let us look at an example. Here you see many operations together. Following Bodmer's rule, we solve for division first. We get 3. Then we solve for multiplication. We get 900. Then we solve for addition. We get 903. Then we solve for subtraction. Finally, we get the answer, 813. Wasn't it easy? The key to this lesson was to remember the order of operations. Thank you.